This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Audi transmission mistakes that cost thousands. What if one of the most expensive parts in your Audi is being quietly damaged by habits that feel completely normal? Because when Audi owners think about expensive repairs, the engine gets attention, the turbo gets attention, but the transmission, often ignored, until something feels wrong. A hesitation, a strange shift, a delay, a rough engagement, and suddenly the conversation becomes expensive, very expensive. Because transmission damage rarely begins with dramatic failure. It usually begins quietly, repeatedly, small stress, repeated habits, ignored warning signs, and by the time the symptoms become obvious, the bill is no longer small. Today, we fix that, because prevention is dramatically cheaper than regret. Let's start with one of the most common transmission killers: aggressive driving before the car settles into stable behavior. Owners start the car, immediately demand urgency, fast acceleration, repeated stop-and-go aggression, impatience, traffic frustration. And while performance driving itself is not automatically harmful, repeated abusive habits create stress, especially when mechanical systems are repeatedly pushed without awareness. Now let's talk about parking behavior. This is massively underestimated, because many owners treat gear selection casually. Rushed habits, quick transitions, no mechanical sympathy, and repeated poor habits quietly add stress. Not instantly, but over time. That's what makes them dangerous. Now let's talk about traffic behavior. Urban driving can be brutal. Constant crawling, stop, move, repeated hesitation, repeated clutch-like engagement cycles in automated systems. This is not fear content. It is ownership awareness. Traffic patterns matter. Now let's discuss emotional throttle habits. This is common. The driver becomes impatient. Heavy throttle inputs, sudden acceleration requests, abrupt behavior, then frustration when the car responds imperfectly. Ownership behavior shapes long-term outcomes. Before we continue, quick reminder. If you love practical Audi ownership advice, hidden features, and ways to avoid expensive repairs, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now let's talk about ignored symptoms. This is where expensive stories begin. Small hesitation, different shift feel, unexpected delay, odd behavior, slight roughness. Owners normalize everything. It still drives. That logic becomes expensive, because systems often communicate early. The question is, are you paying attention? Now let's talk about heat. Heat matters massively. Repeated stress, repeated traffic strain, repeated aggressive use. Mechanical systems hate repeated, unmanaged thermal stress, and owners rarely think about this. Now let's discuss poor ownership mindset. Some owners assume premium engineering makes abuse harmless. Wrong. Audi engineering is impressive, but repeated bad habits still create consequences. Technology improves resilience. It does not cancel physics. Now imagine two Audi owners. Same gearbox, same mileage, same city. One drives impatiently, ignores symptoms, creates repeated stress. The other drives intelligently, pays attention, protects the system. Completely different ownership future. And we're only getting started, because in part 2, we go deeper into the hidden transmission-killing habits. Because some of the most expensive gearbox failures start with behaviors that look perfectly normal. Today, we fix that, because prevention is dramatically cheaper than regret. Enjoy the performance without paying for avoidable mistakes. If you want more Audi ownership advice and ways to avoid expensive mistakes, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively.
Audi transmission mistakes that cost thousands. Now let's continue, because some of the most expensive transmission damage begins with habits owners barely think about. That is what makes this dangerous. Not dramatic abuse, normal-looking behavior, repeated often enough to become expensive. Let's start with one of the most ignored problems: repeated impatience and slow traffic. This is brutal for transmission behavior. Crawling forward, stopping, moving again, tiny accelerations, repeated hesitation, constant stress cycles. And impatient drivers make it worse: abrupt throttle, aggressive movement, sudden requests, frustration-driven inputs. Urban ownership patterns matter more than many Audi owners realize. Now let's talk about strange behavior normalization. This is where expensive repair stories begin. The car hesitates slightly. Shifts feel less smooth. Engagement feels different. A delay appears, and the owner says, "It still works." That sentence has emptied many wallets because systems often communicate before dramatic failure. Ignoring communication never helps. Now let's discuss parking habits more deeply, because rushed ownership creates bad routines. Quick directional changes, abrupt maneuvers, impatient behavior during parking, treating the transmission like an on/off switch instead of a sophisticated system. Repeated poor habits quietly increase long-term stress. Now let's talk about emotional driving. Again, performance driving itself is not automatically harmful. Mindless aggressive behavior is. Repeated harsh inputs, sudden heavy acceleration, traffic anger, stoplight racing mentality. All of this creates repeated unnecessary stress. Same gearbox, different driver behavior, completely different longevity outcome. Before we continue, quick reminder. If you love practical Audi ownership advice, hidden features, and ways to avoid expensive repairs, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now let's discuss thermal stress. This matters massively. Mechanical systems generate heat. Traffic generates heat. Repeated strain generates heat. Mechanical systems generate heat. Traffic generates heat. Repeated strain generates heat. Aggressive usage generates heat. Owners obsess over performance. Now let's talk about driver psychology, because some owners confuse urgency with enjoyment. They constantly demand immediate aggressive response, even when conditions do not justify it. Repeated stress becomes habit. Habit becomes wear. Wear becomes repair. Now let's discuss false confidence. Premium badge psychology is real. Some drivers assume it's an Audi. It can handle anything. Wrong mindset. Strong engineering improves resilience. It does not make repeated abuse consequence-free. Now let's talk about warning signs owners miss. Different engagement feel, rough transitions, unexpected hesitation, behavioral inconsistency, slight abnormality, small clues. Owners often wait for obvious failure. That delay increases cost dramatically. Now here's something important. Preventive ownership is not paranoia, it is awareness. Not every strange feeling means catastrophe, but unexplained repeated changes deserve attention. That mindset saves money. Now imagine two Audi owners again. Same transmission, same mileage, same environment. One drives emotionally, creates repeated stress, ignores early signs, normalizes strange behavior. The other drives intelligently, pays attention, respects system behavior, protects longevity. Completely different financial future. Now let's talk about accumulated stress, because expensive failures rarely come from one cinematic event. They come from repetition, small bad habits, repeated poor choices, repeated stress cycles. That is how normal ownership quietly becomes expensive ownership. Now here's the bigger truth. Audi transmissions are sophisticated systems. Sophisticated systems reward intelligent ownership. That is the lesson. Not fear. Awareness, smarter habits, earlier attention, better driving behavior, and more enjoyable ownership. Because avoiding unnecessary gearbox stress does not make driving boring. It makes ownership smarter. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more Audi ownership advice, hidden technology tips, and ways to avoid expensive mistakes, subscribe now. Because the biggest threat to many Audi gearboxes is not bad engineering. Because the biggest threat to many Audi gearboxes is not bad engineering. It's repeated owner behavior nobody questions.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.